In this video, I'm going to show you how I make the borders for these chip bags. So I like to use my own border so that I don't have to purchase that crinkle machine, because to me it looks really cute with just the border on it. So in order to do that, you would need to open a new document in Microsoft Word. And what I do is I choose the insert option at the top, and then I select shape, and I'm going to just choose this rectangle here, and you just need to drag and pull to create the shape. Once the shape is laid out on the paper, you'll see that you are under the shape format tab. We're going to go over here to height, and we're going to adjust this to 0.15. If you like yours thinner, you can make it 0.10, whatever your preference is. I'm going to hit enter. And then for this, I'm just going to make this 7 inches. No, I'll go ahead and make it 8 inches, just so that I know I have enough. And then I'm just going to put it on the page here. And it doesn't really matter where you set this. I'm just going to line it up to the left margin just so that I know everything's even. And so what I'll do is I'll just copy this shape that I've already made by hitting Control C, and then I'll paste it by hitting Control V. And then I'll just put that in place here right along with that, and then I'll paste another one. And I'm only going to do 4. I typically do 4 or 6, depending how many colors. So if I want 3 colors, I'll do 6. If I want 2 colors, then I'll just do 4. So for this one, we'll just do 2 colors. All right, so we're going to select the shape. We're going to go up here to shape format, and then we're going to change the fill color. So I'm going to make this pink, and then I'm going to make this one pink as well. And then I'll make the outline pink. The shape outline is also going to be pink for both of them. And then I'll move on to the next shape color. And for this one, what color? Let's try pink and yellow this time. And then I'll also choose yellow for the shape outline, and then do that for the other 2. All right, so now that I got my 2 colors, the pink and yellow, as you can tell, when I click off of this, this is just a flat striped image, nothing special about it, but we're going to change that because we need this to look like the image you just saw. So highlight your shape, your first shape, and select shape format again. This time we're going to select shape effect, and we're going to choose border. I'm sorry, bevel. And then my favorite bevel is the rounded bevel. I do use 2 different ones, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to use the rounded one, but I will show you the other one I used before I complete the video. So I'm going to use the round bevel for all of these. All right. Oh. And then for the last one, I'm going to choose that round bevel as well, but I'm going to show you the other one I use. So I use round a lot. It's my favorite. And then you can also use this angled one, because if you look at what's on the image, it kind of looks like the way the bag would be crinkled. So if we did this one, then this would be the look that you can expect. And it looks crinkled. But I really, really, really like the rounded look. So for this one, I'm going to choose round as mentioned. All right. And then once we get the look that we want, we're basically done with making the shape. So then to get this to our Canva file, so that way we can add it to the bag, we would go down here to our snipping tool. Currently, I'm using this to record this short video. But I would hit this, and then it would give me the option to take a picture or do a video. I'm going to choose take a picture, and I'm going to hit new, and then I'm going to take the arrows, because they look something like what you see on the screen, and I'm going to go along this whole thing like that. And then once you select your area that you want to crop, it'll ask you to save it. Save the file and choose the location as the download, your download file. It's easier to find that way. So save it as a download. And then once you've saved it, you can go to your project. And you can upload it. So you would go here and select upload. You would choose your file to upload. And then let's just say this is the one we did. So we'll open that. And then once we've got it open, we'll select it. And then you can move this up here and it'll attach itself. Or you can move it here and it'll attach itself. So let me show you what I mean by that. So right now I have this locked, so it's not going to allow me to change anything. So now that I have it unlocked, I can put this here, and I like to double click it and move this to where I want it to be. So I double click that and drag that in place. And that's pretty much all you have to do to put the border. Now, once you get the border in there, you want to lock it. So that way, when you're bringing your other clip art onto the bag, it doesn't put it in here, because that's frustrating when you have to keep hitting undo to undo something like that. But I don't want this like that, of course. So we're just going to take that off of there. But that is how you do the border for the chip bags. I hope this helps. I hope this video was clear. And I thank you for allowing me the time to make this video for you.